Hey y'all, today I'm making my chocolate moringa smoothie. This is a smoothie I've been having every single day. I'm loving it so much that I wanted to share it with you. Let me know in the comments below your favorite ingredients for your smoothies. There. Alright, so we have everything in there. And wait, one more thing we're gonna add. Time to blend. This was so good. It was so rich and tasty. It was so delicious. You have the mild flavors of the chocolate. You can feel free to add more chocolate if you want, but I didn't want it to be overpowered because you have the sesame coming through. Oh, and then you had the flax seeds, and then you even had the shavings of the coconut just blended right into there. Oh my goodness. Yo, you could even have this without the coconut and it'll be an even smoother, richer smoothie, okay? Well, it's a smoothie, so it should be smooth, right? But y'all, if you try this recipe out, please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And also let me know if you want me to do more smoothie recipes. What else would you add to this smoothie? Let me know in the comments below.
Hi guys, it's Martha again. I'm just getting ready to make my smoothie for dinner, and I thought, hey, I'm gonna film this and show you guys how I make mine and what I put in mine. It might be different from what you guys are doing. This is like my go-to smoothie that I make every night, and I really love the taste of it, and it's really delicious. So I'm gonna show you what I'm putting in here, okay? So first off, I use these greens, all right, and so what these are a combination of baby kale baby spinach, and other baby greens, okay? So I open this guy up, and I put all my vegetables in at the bottom closest to the blade. Because I have a normal blender. I don't have anything fancy, just a normal blender. But I find that when I make it this way, where I put all the veggies at the bottom, it just blends them up a whole lot better than if they're at the top. I'm just going to and I put a lot of greens in my stuff. I've seen some videos where some folks only put like one little small handful of greens and the rest is all fruit. Not me. I put a lot of greens in my smoothie. So as you can see, it's a lot of greens in there. Next, I put asparagus in my smoothie. And I usually put the thin green ones in, and I usually do like 3 little stalks of those. But I found this really cool purple looking broccoli, asparagus. And you know what they say with colors of vegetables, if more color, the more nutrients it has in it and more vitamins. So I'm using 2 of these guys, okay? And what I do is I just break them into little pieces and toss them in my blender. So I'm tossing them in. Break, put them in. The next thing, the last green that I use is broccoli. Good old broccoli. So what I do is I take a couple of these guys, right? Maybe 3. Now you're probably going, broccoli? Gross. But honest to God, I swear you don't taste this at all. So I get the little head. See this? I just rip this off, and this is what I put in the blender. And the rest I chop up with my dog's dog food, and they get the rest, and they love it. My dogs love vegetables. They love carrots. They love broccoli. It's crazy. So here's another big piece. Just doing the same thing. Just taking off the heads. Throw the heads in there. Okay, got the stalk. The stalk can go to something else. I'm going to throw another little piece in there just because I love it so much. So there it is. All right? There is all that broccoli on top of all the greens. So see that? There's a lot of greens in there. That's a lot of good stuff in there. And that is what my body is loving, and that is what is helping me get rid of the inches and the fat. It's going to make me live a whole lot longer so I can see my grandson's kids. That's my goal. All right, next I'm going to put in my my fruits. So I get all my fruits frozen because that way I don't have to put ice, because I do pack a lot of stuff in here. And so in order to cram it with everything I want, I have eliminated the ice by putting in the frozen fruit. And it really makes a big difference. So this is frozen pineapple, frozen peaches. Okay, and I separate the fruits out so I don't put them in a big clump, because that strains the blender. So I'm also going to add frozen mango. And again, same thing. Break it all up into the little pieces here so that it blends a whole lot better. And last but not least, my staple, frozen blueberries. And I love these guys. And all these packages that I showed you, with the exception of the pineapple, are all organic. So if you can buy organic, it's just healthier. It's got less pesticides in it. You know, if you can, great. If you can't, it's okay. But if you can, you know, it's worth the thing. So let me show you what my blender's looking like right now. Okay, it is pretty packed, as you can see. So I'm pushing it down as much as I can. And then now I'm going to add some liquids to make all this blend up, right? So the first thing I do is I put in coconut water, okay? And I put coconut water in about halfway up the blender. So I'm just pouring it in on top of everything, and I'm just watching it go up as I do, and it goes about a little bit less than halfway up the container, so I put it in. Okay, then I add almond milk, and this is vanilla almond milk, and this gives it a really creamy, nice smoothness to the smoothie. So I add maybe, I don't know, maybe 1/3 of a cup of almond milk, okay? It looks like more because all the veggies are crammed in there, but here, let me show you what it's all looking like. Okay, so that's what it's basically looking like, right? Not real appetizing at this stage, but I promise you it's going to be awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start blending it, and I have to blend this in little stages because, like I said, it's a normal blender. So I listen to the sound of the blender. When it sounds like it's strained, I turn it off and I stir it with a knife and then move stuff around and then start blending again. So bear with me, it's going to be noisy, but you got to do it, right? Okay, so here we go. Pour this in. You can see the consistency. It is delicious. Okay, and then I use a little straw because honestly, it's kind of like drinking a milkshake in a way. So here it is. Oh my God, this is so good. You don't taste the broccoli. You taste the blueberries, you taste the pineapple, you taste the peaches. Put the fruits you like the best, okay? Whatever, you know, is your favorite stuff, whatever trips your trigger, you put those fruits in with the greens and the liquids. And you don't have to use coconut water. Some people don't like coconut water. Just use straight up water. If you don't want to use the almond milk, don't. You can just use straight water. You can use a little bit of fruit juice if you like fruit juice better. You know, whatever you need to do to get you into this habit, do it. Because you're going to see a difference. You're going to see a boost in your energy. You're going to start seeing your weight come down from this. Not only that, you are giving yourself fruits and vegetables that your body needs every day. If you do this every day, you're giving yourself everything you need for that day. So there's just nothing bad about making a fruit and veggie smoothie, folks, okay? So please give it a try. I think you're really going to like it. I know I do. I love these things, and I have one for dinner pretty much every night unless I'm going out. So enjoy, my lovelies. Have a great weekend. I'll see you soon, okay? Bye.